Hello and welcome to Ford Money. We pride ourselves on offering straightforward savings, and applying for a cash ISA with us is just as straightforward. Once you've chosen the product that's right for you, click on Find Out More. This page will give you all the information you need about your chosen product. When you're ready to apply, select Apply Online. Before beginning the application process, we recommend that you download and read the product summary fact sheet, the product terms and conditions, and the customer agreement before clicking Apply Online at the bottom of the page. If you're an existing customer, you can apply via the fast track route, as we will already hold most of the information that we need from you. If you're new to us, however, we will need some more details from you. For security reasons, you'll need to enter the 5-digit code to verify you're a real person before moving on to the next stage. Make sure to click Next to navigate through each step. You will now be asked to confirm whether you've already opened a cash ISA in this tax year. If the answer is yes, you'll need to transfer your current year's ISA subscription in full. This will become the opening balance for your new Ford Money cash ISA. Next, you'll be asked to fill in your personal details, including your full name, date of birth, nationality, and your national insurance number, so make sure you have it to hand. To help us find your address, enter your postcode and select it from the list displayed. Once selected, don't forget to confirm it. If your address isn't found, you can enter it manually instead. You will need to provide a personal email address and contact number. Note that we will require at least a mobile number in order that we can send important security and account servicing information. You can also indicate if and how you wish Ford Money to contact you about the new products and services. You'll then be asked to choose a password for your account. For security reasons, you'll also need to enter a memorable date, name, and place, together with your mother's maiden name. Make sure your answers can't be easily guessed by others, but can be easily remembered by you. You'll have the opportunity to change these memorable details to something else once your account is up and running, and you will have a wider choice of questions to choose from. Now it's time to enter the details of your nominated account. This is the bank or building society account you'll always need to make your deposits from, and where your money will always be paid into when you make a withdrawal. You'll also be able to select how frequently you'd like to receive your interest and which account you'd like it to be paid into. Next, you'll be asked to read and agree to our terms and conditions, including the customer agreement, product terms and conditions, and the product summary. Next, you will need to read and agree to our ISA declaration, as well as the FSCS information sheet, which explains the Financial Services Compensation Scheme in more detail. Lastly, you will need to read the Data Usage Declaration. These ensure that you're comfortable with the content, and when ready, tick the box to confirm you have read, understood, and agree with the information. We recommend that you download each document for your records. At this stage of the process, you'll be asked to review the details you've entered for correctness. Once you're sure everything's correct, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Next. We'll then ask you to confirm your current ISA provider if you've opted to make an ISA transfer. You will also need to enter your sort code, account number, and row reference number if applicable. You can choose whether you'd like all or part of your existing ISA transferred, whether you'd like to transfer your subscriptions for the current tax year, and how much of the previous year's subscriptions you'd like to transfer. If the ISA you're transferring across to us is a fixed-rate product, you will also be asked to indicate whether you wish to make the transfer straight away or wait until the maturity date of the product. You will then be given the option to add additional ISAs if required, following the steps previously shown. Once you've added all your cash ISA holdings you want to transfer, click Submit to complete the application. On the next screen, your temporary application reference number will be displayed. You'll need to use this number in all Ford Money correspondence until you receive your account number. Please also quote this temporary application reference number as your payment reference if you wish to make an initial deposit straight away using your internet banking. If you have requested an ISA transfer in, you should not have to do anything further. Please be aware that transfers may take up to 15 days to reach your account. In the event of an ISA transfer taking 15 days or longer, we can waive our standard 14-day funding deadline, as long as we have received notification from your current provider that funds are pending. Your ISA transfer will become your initial deposit. If your application's been successful, this screen also provides you information on how to access your new account, as well as how to make your initial deposit if you've not elected to make an ISA transfer. Please make sure to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click Finish. You'll be taken to the following screen where you can take the opportunity to watch our other video that provides a useful overview of how to manage your new Ford Money account online. You'll receive an email shortly afterwards reconfirming your temporary application reference number and details of how to make deposits into your account. Within 24 hours, you'll receive another email with your customer ID. You'll then be able to log into your account using this customer ID and the password that you set up during the application process. Within a few days, you'll receive our welcome pack in the post, containing your new account number, reconfirmation of your customer ID, and useful information to help you manage your Ford Money account. Once you receive your account number, the temporary application reference number you've been using is no longer necessary. So please ensure that you quote your new account number and the first 3 letters of your surname when making subsequent deposits using your internet banking. We'll also be sending you an additional letter containing a unique code, which you'll need to authenticate your nominated account details when you log on for the first time. Instructions on how to do this will be provided in the letter. This additional authentication step is to protect you and prevent any unauthorised activity on your account. In some cases, after you submit an application to us, we may require more information to confirm your identity and address. Depending on the circumstances, you may either be offered the ability to upload your documentation to us online, or alternatively, requested to send a copy of the most recent document available to our free post address as soon as you can. And don't worry, uploading your additional documents couldn't be easier. Simply click on the Acceptable Proof Documents tab to see a comprehensive list of accepted documents. Once you're ready, select Upload Document Now. From there, you will be taken to another page where you can select Start Upload Process. Select the type of document you wish to upload, locate it on your computer, and then submit it using the Submit File button. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have more questions, you can always find further information in the Help section on our website. We look forward to helping you save with Ford Money.